আসসালামু আলাইকুম ভিউয়ার্স, কি অবস্থা সবার? চলে আসলাম আবার একটি নতুন ভিডিও নিয়ে। সো আপওয়ার্ক, হাউ টু মেক মানি অনলাইন উইথ আপওয়ার্ক ওয়েবসাইট। ওকে, so how it work? So Upwork is recently a meeting site where business and freelancer throughout the world can connect and collaborate on certain project. Business here freelancer for a variety of different service, including writing, web design, running SEO campaign, and pretty much any work that can be done on a computer. Okay, so highlight: Upwork take a commission from 5% to 20%, but the more money you make, the yields the commission is. So drawbacks: Upwork has been beautiful, successful that a lot of competition on the website, and that can be real drawback for people who are new to the site. Say such Dorosha, owner of a digital marketing and agency Torno, calls the shirtless web guys. Okay, so before I started my business in website web design, so I created profile on website search as Upwork. In the beginning, its web strategy to attract any attention from buyers on those platforms because there's so much competition and much of the competition was from overseas, which made it impossible to complete an owner partner. Okay, so work from home job for freelancer. So do Dusra love in prices and for while. So you working for next nothing but your positive feedback made a profile look better and Dostra starting setting more uh, all through platform likes Upwork. Beautiful. So thank you.